What is good, y'all? I just want to make this quick clip right here. I'm about to give my girl, Allie, her birthday present, the big one, a little earlier. Yay! Yay! What is this guy?
Ooh, come on, be producer.
Hey, so you can do her singing and her hobbies and passions. You feel me? And she was just talking about this shit today. She started her own YouTube channel. She wants to just show what she does and make things possible.
Starts here.
See? Look at that. She got a couple songs, y'all. She got a good voice. She makes good music. You just gotta put herself out there more and do more and invest in yourself. Right, Babush?
Thanks, Boo.
We got these Sankey 555s. Shout out to the homie Justin Rivera that works at this auto parts. He's a manager. Hooked me up. This or OEM are the two best ball joints you could get for the TSX. So you could get it locally at your auto parts store. Did you know that? Hopefully this is all we need. Hooked me up. I ain't had, yo, shout out to you, man, for real. Pizza for you and me. Oh, wee. Queen's Pizza. It's not, it's not like CT, but it's still good pizza right here. All right, y'all. So we're back at the crib. It's 10 at night on a Friday, but tomorrow we have a lot going on. It's my girl's birthday, so happy birthday, boo. Shout out to you. We're going paintballing tomorrow. Go to a Toys for Tots, but that's probably not in our timeline. A lot going on tomorrow, celebrating my girl's birthday. Sankey 555s, Advance Auto, and you let me borrow that, so that's super awesome. I really hope it's got all the attachments I need for the ball joints. And I dropped off my hub over at ARH Automotive and Preston, my wheel bearing, hooked me up and just on the house, because we're gonna do some networking and make some content for him. So just doing what we do, smack it out. Shouldn't be too bad or loud. This ain't don't even have a fucking C-clip on it. Just grab this pick right here. It's easy. And boom. So these little picks do come in handy. I tend to snap a lot of them. I think these are more durable than they're supposed to be. Wasn't a horrible ball joint, but also not the greatest. And I'd rather replace it, honestly, for the price too. I can't complain. It's crazy, this didn't even have a C-clip, so that's, I guess, good that I didn't run it in a sense, because it's supposed to have it, like, it has the gap right there. So the person who installed this shit never fucking put on the C-clip. Jeez, dude. If I just stopped fucking missing, I would get it out a lot easier. I be trying to be respectful and not be too fucking loud past certain times, even though it is a weekend, but this neighborhood be quiet as hell at nighttime. Will's birthday girl. Got the other hub out here, making a little bit extra noise. It randomly starts drizzling. It's like, get the fuck out of here, man. And also, I'm trying to make sure that it's gonna work, which I kind of feel like it. I got the ball joints in the freezer to help shrink it and make it even more buttery smooth to go in. This one actually does have its little C-clamp. So I'm gonna try to get this thing off. I already pulled off the boot and then whack this fucker off. Then I also have to pull this shit out, which is easy, flathead, boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, I cut myself as usual. And it's right there. Got that off. Took some working and a finger cut and a little bit of blood. It took for me after to get hurt to wear some gloves as usual. Good thing it wasn't too bad. I wish I had a longer handle. Easy as that. Got these ball joints out the freezer. They're honestly in there for like a day and a half. Iced coffee from Wawa, but this is like too much. But anyway, yeah, we got them out and we're gonna go ahead and press them in. See how I go about this. Everything should be good. Got all that. let's try to figure this out. As y'all can maybe tell, this ball joint is like ice cold right now. Hella frost. Imagine it just like slid right in. Seems like it's fully seated on that ledge right there. Honestly, this kit is super simple and easy. Like, I thought I needed a little bit extra attachments, but I believe that it... yeah. I mean, it's got that much room, so... Alright, we got the second frozen ball joint right here. Putting the slightest amount of grease in there just to help ease its way. What's going on, guys? With this birthday girl right here, halfway to 30, old as fuck, you know. Don't even remind me. Like, we're on our way to Orlando right now. About to go do some paintballing at Orlando Paintball. Orlando Paintball was the most reviewed. Paintballing for the first time for her. Hell yeah! So that's gonna be fun. She gonna get it's gonna hurt. A little bit, yeah. Yeah, definitely have like the sweater on at least. Paintballing, I haven't gone in fucking forever. Say happy birthday down in the comments. Woo! 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 Oh man, after a longish 2-hour ride, we are pulling up.
This is different. That's handicap.
Hey, so we here, y'all. Damn, I'm excited. It's been a while, and we have all day passes, and we just have to pay for like paintballs, and air is free and stuff. It's all good, bro. Rentals, get your snack. Friendly fire. Oh shit. And we also got these up.
Good for your back too.
Yeah, for real. Yeah. Cheating. Was busting my ass, y'all. See what the fuck? Where's she at? Where's she at, bro? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
This kind of stinks.
I'm sorry. Gun down and safety. Oh.
Yeah.
So you guys just start off there. It is basically capture the flag. Now just explain it for what.
Out here getting headshots and shit.
I haven't gotten hit yet. She's gotten hit twice. Once by me.
We did a one-on-one.
It's been cool. I've shot 3-4 people so far. 3.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Mainly pink is what we're looking for. Bro, I swear you don't want to show me.
Bro, this is crazy, yo. Woo! Hey! You see? I don't know who the
Yo!
y'all see this? We both got face shot. Alright, y'all. So, we're done with paintballing. That was honestly super fun.
Yeah.
Super welcoming people that were there at the time. So, for our first time, we're definitely gonna get into another expensive hobby and buy ourselves some guns. At least I'm gonna start with one and then might have to just get two. Time just flew by. On our way back home, time to eat and get hydrated and do stuff because my head hurts.
Yeah, as soon as we started to leave, our heads started to hurt.
Yeah, we gotta progress with the day.
Hell yeah.
To be honest, guys, I thought that was like a small gift to do, but like in the end, it was kind of big because it was like
What do
an
you mean
all-day event,
It is. I loved it.
a long adventure, and something completely new. It was good vibes. This is like some real cool shit for you and all the homies to come pull up. Hopefully she comes soon. Happy birthday to you.
I love that. I like the
Happy
candles.
birthday to
This is so cute, though. I love the candles.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.